How to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC free tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Drag the video or audio piece that you would like the audio to sound better at and add an in point and an out point, and then go underneath to effects and type in the following: bass, drag this down on your audio piece, treble, hard limiter, and then now go underneath to effects and then go to control panel and then scroll down until you see the volume and the audio. Underneath bass, we're going to put this as 5 decibels. Under treble, 11 decibels. And then now underneath hard limiter, click on edit. Make sure that the preset is set to default, and then under peak, or the first option which says maximum amplitude, click this and drag it to the left. As you can see, becomes less in value so that the audio won't peak like you're currently seeing on the screen. And this is the before.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal.
And this is the after.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal.